So I haven't really seen anything about 396 graphics on YouTube, so figured I'd share this. Just got my graphics yesterday. I've been putting this thing back together. Had kind of a nasty crash. Hair scramble a while back, so I had to replace subframe and a few parts. But now these graphics look pretty good, I think. Got me some ASV levers, some Mika hard parts. Mika bars are pretty slick, and the grips are awesome too. But I figured I'd just share this. Mika metals, man. Chains, sprockets, bars. I don't know, it's like there's partner company or what, but DT1 filters. They're like quality, I mean, they look quality to me. It's got me a slip-on, had the bent up silencer, so shortly I'll order my head pipe and jet kit. I'm kind of behind the times with a carburetor, I know, but this thing runs pretty good, so I'll stick with it for a while. But anyway, 396 graphics, man. I think I was speaking with Justin. He's a good dude, and they do good work, so I think it's a smaller company. So support your small businesses, man. Anyway. Figured I'd let you guys see it, so have a good one. Later.